say goodbye to knee pain and joints since today, with this delicious remedy. The knees fulfill a very important and specific function in our body. They allow us to mobilize, to walk, to bend, to jump, to turn, to lie down, and so on. They give stability to the body. However, in order to move comfortably and without pain, good flexibility is necessary. The passage of time or any major injury can significantly damage our ligaments and tendons. These structures are vital to communicate the muscles with the bones and thus facilitate joint movement. Our body, in its entirety, needs good nutrition for proper functioning. Tendons and ligaments need to remain strong to remain flexible. We need food to help us achieve this. We propose to make the following recipes to relieve your pain and improve your quality of life. Smoothie of pineapple, cinnamon and oats. It is a recipe that gives our body vitamin C, silicon, magnesium and bromelain. Bromelain comes from pineapple and is a potent anti-inflammatory. It will help to deflate the damaged knees and fight the pain. Ingredients: 1. A glass of water. 2. 1 cup of instant oats or quick cooking. 3. A spoonful of honey. 4. 3 cups of pineapple, cut into pieces. 5. 1 cup of natural orange juice. 6. 8 grams of cinnamon powder. 7. 45 grams of crushed almonds. Elaboration: 1. Bring the water to a boil. Then place the oats and cook, stir gently. 2. Blend the pineapple until a liquid juice is obtained. 3. Add in the blender, orange, honey, cinnamon and almonds. 4. Without stopping the blender, slowly pour the cooked oats. 5. Once a homogeneous smoothie is obtained, add some ice. Drink daily on an empty stomach. Then you can have breakfast normally. Another ingredient we offer you to use to keep the fortified ligaments is the gelatin without flavor. This food contains collagen protein that also nourishes nails, hair and skin. In addition, it is an excellent coagulant for all your recipes. Unlike the flavored gelatins sold in supermarkets, it does not contain sugars or artificial colors. The following recipe is nutritious and revitalizing. Ingredients: 1. 2 oranges. 2. 2 mature bananas at their exact point of ripening, so we can make the most of their nutrients. The goal is to add potassium to this recipe, proteins and carbohydrates. 3. 50 grams of unflavored gelatin. 4. 70 grams of honey. Elaboration: 1. Peel the banana and mash it until you get a porridge. 2. Sweeten with honey. Mix well until blended ingredients. 3. Hydrate the gelatin. Dissolve the gelatin in half a glass of water and warm it in the microwave. 4. On the other hand, squeeze the orange. Heat the juice obtained and add the hydrated gelatin. Stir very well so that no lumps form. 5. Place this second preparation in a mold and bring to the refrigerator for 20 minutes. When ready, in mold. Put in a dish and spread up the porridge of banana and honey. It should be consumed at least twice a week.